Hello YouTube, my name is Amul and you are watching TapTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress 4.8.3, which is the latest release on Microsoft Windows. So Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. This is my Windows 10. So to install WordPress locally on your computer, you must have a server installed, or you can install Apache, PHP, MySQL separately. But for quick installation, I would recommend you go with XAMPP, or you can go with the MAMP. This is available for Windows and Mac as well. Uh, XAMPP is available for every platform: Windows, Linux, and OS X, Mac OS X. So make sure you have already installed these softwares, and once it is installed, you may have to restart your computer. So once you have restarted the computer, make sure that your XAMPP is running here. So my XAMPP is running, I'm running Apache and MySQL. Okay, so they are already running. Let's go ahead and quickly download the WordPress 4.8.3 and install it. So go to wordpress.org, which is here, and then click on download. Here you will see it says download WordPress 4.8.3, and you've got two options. This is zip, this is tar.gz file on the bottom. So we will go ahead and install the zip folder. So click on it and save wherever you want to. So I have already downloaded it. You can see it here on my desktop. So I'm going to cancel it. I also have unzipped it to save your time. However, you simply have to right click and extract it. Okay, so once it's extracted, you'll see it here. These are the files that we need to install WordPress on Windows 10 computer. So Windows 10 or whatsoever you have, Windows 7, 8, 8.1. Now let's quickly go ahead and open the Explorer. So here is the Explorer, and go to this PC or my computer, and then click on C drive. Then you go into XAMPP, then you go to htdocs. You can see it here on the top. Open htdocs, and simply what you have to do, so there are two ways. You can simply go back and drag this file over here. That will also work. Or you can create a folder and copy everything from here to here. Now you can, if you want, you can rename it. Let's say I want just say WP, and that's it. Now I can close it. I don't need that. So you can see we've just extracted the file and put it in the XAMPP htdocs, and we only had to create a folder. If you do not want to create a folder, you simply drag the folder, the extracted WordPress folder, into your htdocs, and then you can rename it. Okay, that's done. We will quickly go ahead and check. Okay, so I'm going to use my Firefox browser. You can use any browser. Okay, so here is the Firefox. Let's quickly go ahead and launch the localhost, and okay, and just to make sure everything is running, okay, so Apache is running. My PHP my admin is also working. You can see it here. So we will need PHP my admin to create a database, and before that, let's go ahead and check the WP folder. So whatever the name is of your folder that we just transferred files to and folders to, that has to be the after localhost. So localhost / the name of the folder, and then press enter. Here you have to choose your language and click continue. Now here it's asking for database name, username, password, and database host table prefix. So now you will go ahead and create the database. So go to localhost and then press enter. then you go to php_my_admin. If you know how to create a database on MySQL, perfectly fine. Then you could quickly go ahead and click new, and here is my WP. So, and we are going to use the default user, so that's root user with no password. Okay, so and if you want to create any user, you simply go to here is the user. You can add a new user, give it a password and all the privileges. Okay, so we are going to use this one, root global, basically this or this, both are the same. Okay, so let's go, click on let's go, and now here we will give the database name, so my WP, and then name, username for the database, root, there is no password. Okay, localhost is the host. You can change the prefix if you want. If you have to install multiple WordPress, you simply give, okay, whatever name you want to give it to, then click submit. Now click run the install, and this shouldn't take long time. Here we go. So now we will quickly go ahead and pick the name, the site name, the website name. So I'm going to name it WordPress 4.8.3. Username is going to be very simple, admin. Password is going to be admin. I'm going to confirm to use a very weak password, and I've also given an email address. I want to discourage the search engine from indexing my site unless I have uploaded all the contents. Okay, so then you click install WordPress. Okay, so it's almost done here. We will quickly go ahead and get in the dashboard area after the installation, and it shouldn't take a long time, and here we are. Okay, so click login, and then you have to enter the username, that is admin. For me, it may be different from you. I will highly recommend, if you're going to host it on, like if you're going to launch your website, make sure you have a very unique username and password, and then click login. Okay, so here we are. This is WordPress 4.8.3. We'll quickly go ahead and check here. This will have the 2017 theme pre-activated. In case if you want to change the theme, you simply go to appearance, go to themes, and you can activate these themes, or you can click add new themes, add new simply, and then you can browse themes from here, download it, install it, and activate it. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for my channel, and have a good day. Bye for now.